Picked up NATO's new motor for his Hilux.
We about to turn it on.
For the rear diff. So that twists when you hit it.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Impact driver.
Yeah, right.
Only way to get these big ones off.
Yeah, I'd probably round them off. Ready for the smelly stuff.
Yep.
And all the metal shavings, you reckon?
Ooh. I don't know.
Pretty good, actually.
That's good. Fill up with grey hairs on it. Oh no. Fine. Pretty sure. Yeah, I did this, didn't I?
Yep.
Yeah, so it hasn't had long
It's had a lot of towing trips though. Fair few towing trips with the camper.
It's like looking at the back, I'm like, that's got barely anything on it.
Yeah. Can't see if the camera can see that. Yeah, it's coming. Yep.
Oh, that looks yummy. Much heavier than the front. Oh man.
Yummy. Hello in there. Looks like grease.
Oh, it's just oil.
You see right down into there. Yeah, there we go. Oh, so his is supposed to be running on grease.
Apparently. But one of those, there was leaking oil out there, just weeping oil. Out around here, which means that that is all filled up with oil.
With oil, diff oil.
I thought that was all oil in there anyway, but apparently. Grab a cup.
Yep.
Don't fly off at me.
I reckon.
That should come off now.
Very good.
Spray basket.
At least we've got a gasket, eh? you reckon those scrape marks are on the back here? Metal shavings flying around?
No idea. It's weird.
You can see a little bits of shavings around. Yeah, wee. What a mission. I'm glad you know what you're doing with these things. What were these lithium cells again, Owen? 50 amp hour? That's gonna be cool. Oh yeah. Whole front. This rear. Yeah, so this. Front ones. Smaller on the rears. Weird as.
That guy look like.
Gotta give it the berries.
The breaker bar. Nasty. It didn't look too bad.
Got another TD.
Yep.
Yeah, it will be 8 lockers.
Pro. Doing my sleep.
This one's going on nice.
Yummy yellow oil.
What is that stuff?
Just a anti-rust protector.
Looks like betadine.
See what happens when you this. Good. Done.
7/16. What was the tap again?
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch.
MT.
Just right.
Give it a wash.
Yum. So they're the seals that they keep blowing on everyone else's. Those little seals.
and mix them with your oil.
This is Alan's special tool.
If that tells us anything.
Seems to be in the center. By the looks of that one. I don't even know how you got that thing in last time.
Yeah,
It just went in. I remember you.
just slip over that. Oh, look at this. Oh, hang on.
We're getting ahead of ourselves, are we?
I'm gonna lock down these.
Oh yeah. Do you reckon I should hold it just in case?
Yeah.
I'll get rubber grease to you.
It's got oil.
Got diff oil on it.
Do you want to go in the right orientation? Thank you.
That's better.
There. I hope that lines up somehow.
Yep. Little snap ring.
Click. Click means it's good. Not really.
Got it. So what's that one first? Rubber, was it?
Yep. O-ring.
Yep.
Not pinch it or gore it. Copper. Brass.
Yep.
Look where that one is. Focus that close.
Yeah, it does actually.
Wow. Okay.
Copper and then O-ring again, was it?
Yep. Straight out there. Can't remember that.
Yeah, because that sway bar can't come down any further, can it? So,
Swing forward.
yep.
Oh.
I can understand how the seals get wrecked, eh?
Yeah.
Trying to fit it in. Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Done.
Very good. Testing. Yep. That's locked. Sooty. Rear locker done. Just want to say a massive thank you to Owen, Bryn and Davin. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. It's awesome now, completely twin locked, and the car drives so much better. I can't explain it because it is now freewheeling in the rear. It does steer a lot better, but it also just feels smoother in general. I'm not too sure if maybe the diff carrier bearings